talking about something I love, TV ads. I'm sure we all love TV ads. We have no other option actually. We have to see them. You know, if you want to see TV, ads come free. You know. So TV ads, I think they are really informative. They tell us how bad we look, okay, how bad we smell, and how we are getting all the unwanted pregnancies of the world. It's a crazy thing, man. They are really informative. You have to see them to you know, get enriched and get to another level of understanding and consciousness. You know, there are these ads. There's a Dio ad, okay, there's a bike ad, and there's a banyan ad. All of them have the same effect. Okay, they end up in having girls falling from trees. And I'm sure Isaac Newton was wearing some wrong underwear that day. Otherwise it would have been some girl falling from the tree instead of that stupid apple. And some of the ads I love, this thumbs up ad, Akshay Kumar, you know. You have seen him jumping from the buildings, climbing the towers, chasing the cars, doing all that, some Thai shit and all. All that for a bottle of cola. There was a time when men used to do all these things for women. So who says we are not evolving, man? And another ad, recent one, I think, what is laptop? No. Naveen was here, no? Is he still in the house? Oh, he's gone. Okay, there is this ad he was featuring in this insurance ad, life insurance ad. It's a really tough thing to make a life insurance ad because all life insurance ads just have to tell you you're gonna fucking die, man. So buy this thing, okay, you're gonna die. And then they have to sugarcoat it some stupid ways, you know. So there's this life insurance ad where they have to, where there are these two guys, okay. And I think you all must have seen that ad where this guy is going out of town and his friend is telling him, to एक हफ्ते में नहीं आया तो, then another guy, then he says to एक महीने में नहीं आया तो, then he says to कभी वापस नहीं आया तो. I don't know about insurance, but I think this guy is having an affair with this guy's wife. He has all his money, okay? His wife is all alone. He is asking, एक महीने में नहीं आया तो. I don't know where the insurance is this. Of course, there's a life insurance, definitely, but not life insurance. Another recent ad is, yeah, Salman Khan doing Wheel detergent. I don't know, have you seen it? Yeah. Salman and Wheel. Okay, that's a nice combination, always dangerous. But look closely, you know, if you look closely, that ad, actually you will realize that Salman has no frigging idea what product he is. It could just well be some English speaking course or something. I don't know how it goes. I can't imitate him, of course. I'm not that talented. Another ad, I think contraceptive ads, they are really, you know, tricky ones because all the ads want to sell you the idea of sex, you know, be it soaps, be it bikes, be it any fucking thing, okay? They just want you to sell the idea that it's sexy. Sex is a good thing, okay? And then these contraceptive ads have to deal with an idea where they have to say that uncontrolled sex is not a good thing. Whereas they still have to have a model which says uncontrolled sex is a good thing. It's a really tricky zone, you know, they're dealing with. And yeah, another ad, toilet cleaners, you know, You have a TV actor, generally Shekhar Suman, wearing a cap, and doing a demo of cleaning your toilet. I like that thing. TV actors should actually do that. They are responsible for most of the shit that goes on. Waiting for the day when they have a demo ad for a condom. Thank you.